It's so important for me to develop as a human being, and that's why I'm constantly learning. But I don't think the investment ever ends in how much you can learn.
In my opinion, there's three main skills in business in general. So you got to learn how to get people to give you money for stuff. You got to have the stuff to sell them. And then you got to have people that work on your side to help deliver on those other two. If you can do those three things, you're unstoppable. And if you do one of those three things, you can make as much, like you can still make a ton of money. But if you can do all three, you're unbeatable. Mm-hmm. He had to learn how to sell, which means he had to get people to give him money for the dogs, which part of that's marketing, but I'm just wrapping that. Right. He had to learn how to deliver, which is like, okay, what are the best routes to walk on? How do I manage 17 leashes at the same time? Like, he had to figure all that stuff out, right? And then you had to learn how to lead.
He's got in place, but before he was like exhausted, but now he's figuring out how to build and lead. So the three skills I heard you say is sell, build, and lead. Leading skills is probably the hardest.
And I don't know anything about marketing. I don't know anything about sales. I don't know anything about delivery. But I have a vision for what I want to accomplish, a problem that I want to solve that's meaningful to me, and I think it'll be meaningful to other people.
And leading is also selling, in a sense. If you're
100%.
If you're a leader, your energy is an enrolling energy.